children. This is Shraddha ma'am from New Era Global School welcoming you all to our LKG English class. Our class with a prayer. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Om. Rub your hands and put them on your eyes, children. Open your eyes slowly. Namaskar, everyone. So children, now let us start our today's classwork homework. And before we start our today's class, if you remember, before few days we had done this activity of reading the UB sound word family sentences. After the UB sound word family sentences, we read the UG sound word family sentences. Yes children. Now today what we are going to do is, we are going to do this activity of I can read sentences of sound words. Okay children. So let us start the reading everyone. What is the first sentence? The first sentence says, she likes the gum. Now do you remember children, in our flashcard what was the spelling of gum? What was the picture of gum children? The picture of gum was of a gum which is used to stick paper. Here what is she eating? She is eating a chewing gum. This is also called gum. So what does this sentence say? This sentence says that she likes the gum, the chewing gum. She likes the chewing gum. Next sentence says, can you find the some. Can you find the sum? Tell me children, what is this? This is a full stop, but what is this? This is a question mark. Whenever you ask a question, you use a question mark. Can you find the sum? क्या आप sum find कर सकते हो? What is 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. What is the next sentence children? The next sentence says, this is their mum. This is their mum. मतलब ये जो लेडी है वो इन दोनों बच्चों की मम है, ममा है. This is their mum. Okay. What is the other meaning of mum? The other meaning of mum is to be quiet. Let's read the next sentence. She. What is she used for children? She is used for a boy? For a boy? No, she is used for a girl. She loves to hum. She loves to hum. मतलब she likes to hum song. She likes to sing. उसे गुनगुनाना अच्छा लगता है. She loves to hum. Next sentence and the last sentence says the boy says yum. The boy says yum. Why does the boy say yum, children? Because the pastry, the cake he is eating is very tasty. It is very yummy. Whenever your mother cooks yummy food, what do you say? Mum, the food is yum. Mum, the food is yum. Yum matlab tasty, yummy. So, which are the words we saw in this page, children? Gum, the chewing gum. Some, mum, hum, yum. Now, after this activity, I would like to show you our flashcards. Our flashcards of sight words. Which is the first flashcard, children? It is they. Next is not. Next is has. Have. With. Next is the. Next is for. Like. Next is said. Next word you. Next word is was. And. Next is that. That is used for things which are far from us. That. Next is how. Next word this. This is a table because ये मेरे नजदीक है इसीलिए this. Back. His is used for boys. He and his are used for boys. His. Next is her. She and her are used for girls. She and her are used for girls. Her. Next is are. Next, made. See. I see with my eyes. Who. Next is from. Next word came. She is used for girls. She and her are pronouns used for girls. Our next flashcards are is. As. Be. Go. To. Off. I. At. We. An. Next word, do. Do. Next is me. What is next? Next is am. What is the next word, children? He is used for boys. He and his is used for boys. So what was our classwork in the last video? In our term 1 LKG worksheet, we did page number 52, full page. Reading of the unwords sentences, drawing them here, recognizing and writing the words, okay? And then our homework was in our notebook, writing the unwords. Unwords in notebook. Now let us see what is today's classwork and homework. Our today's classwork and homework, children, is read the words and fill the missing space in notebook. This is in notebook. मतलब आपको read करने हैं words को and then fill in the spaces. And what will be your homework? You can do dictation words of A, E, I, O, and unwords. Or what you can do, children, is same as classwork. And let us see what is our today's classwork and homework. It can be the same. यही चीज आप कर सकते हो, इसके जैसा दूसरा ड्रॉ करके कर सकते हो, or you can do dictation in your notebook. This is your classwork which is to be done in your notebook. Okay, classwork and homework, children, with today's date, classwork along with me. But if you cannot do this with me, it is okay because it has drawing part, okay? Read the words and fill in the missing places. यहाँ पे places दी गई है. These are the words which are missing. The letters which are missing in the picture. What do we have to do? We will first do the reading and then we will write the missing letters and finish the words. So let us see what does the first word say. Bed. Now children, out of all these pictures, can you help me recognize the picture of bed? What do? We sleep in the bed. So where is the picture of a bed? This is the picture of a bed. Therefore I will cut this and write here bed. Our next word, children, this was bed. Now let us read our next word. Can. Now tell me, children, out of these pictures, is this the picture of a can? No. Is this the picture of a can? Yes. So I will cut here and I will write the spelling can. This is a soda can. Which can? Soda can. Next word is fig. Where is the picture of a fig, children? Fig is anjeer, and fig is a thing which you can eat. So out of all these pictures, these are the two pictures which are a food. Is this a fig? No. Is this a fig? Yes. So I will write here the spelling. Fig. So this was the spelling of fig. Let us read our next word. mm, mm, some. Out of the pictures, where is the picture of some? This is the picture of some. Yes, so I will write here some. Next is the word ka'ab, 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 ka'ab. Tell me children, which animal's baby is called a cub? A baby lion or a baby tiger is called a cub. Ka'ab. Ka is letter C. A is letter U. B is letter D. Ka'ab. 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 Next word is hot. 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 Out of all these pictures, out of the two pictures, tell me which is the picture of hot? Is this hot or is this hot? Yes, this is the picture of hot. So, H is letter H, O is letter O, T is letter T. Hot. 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 Next is deep, 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 dip, dip. Where is the picture of dip, children? This is the picture of dip. The tea bag is being dipped in the hot water. Dip. Okay. Write the spelling. Deep, 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 deeper, deep, dip. Next is bug, 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 bug. What is the picture of a bug? Bug is a small insect. Is this the picture of a bug? Yes. So I will write here. Bug is letter B. A is letter U. G is letter G. Bug, 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 bug. Next is the spelling of sun. Sun. This is the picture of a sun. Therefore, I will write here. S is letter S. A is letter U. N is letter N. Sun. Sun. Next is gum. This is the picture of a gum which is used to stick the pages. But before this, when I showed you that practice sheet, what is the meaning of gum in that practice sheet? She loves gum. Gum means the chewing gum. Okay, but chewing gum is not a good thing to eat. Okay, children. So this is the picture of gum. Therefore, I will write here the spelling gum. Gum. Next is run is, why do you run, children? You run, you do exercise, you jog, you stay fit. To stay fit and healthy. Yes, children? So you have to do exercise daily. Okay? So where is the picture of run, children? Yes, this is the picture of run. R is letter R. A is letter U. N is letter N. Run. Next is the last word says bun. And which is the picture that is left within all these? This is the picture. This is the picture of a burger. But what is used to make a burger? This is called a bun. Bun. B is letter B. A is letter U. N is letter N. Bun. Bun. So this was our today's classwork and homework. You can do this activity at home for your classwork homework or dictation of A, E, I, O, and onwards. I will leave this page for you to see for a while so that your parents can draw the same thing in your notebook. So children, one more time, today's classwork homework, read the words, fill the missing space in notebook, okay, and homework can be dictation of A, E, I, O, and onwards in notebook or same as classwork. You can do whatever is easy, but I think this activity was a good one for you to understand the words and the pictures. Word to picture association हम हमारे presentation में भी ऐसा activity करते हैं. So this was your today's classwork and homework, and we will see you in our next video. But until then, as I always tell you children, stay home, stay safe, be good, do your classwork homework on time, do not disturb your parents, and most important is that learn your phonic sounds and keep revising your CVC words. So thank you, namaskar, have a good day.